Gotta hit that string, you better watch it. With a cat that I cock with a full clip. I got the whip, got the bitch that I keep undercover. All up in the cup, just to live it up. See this cold face, try to knock it.
There is a rock. My wife's boyfriend has a huge cock. On my way to Burger King, I developed myself a humiliation kink. He's the part where I say something